Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some beautiful pork belly today. I'm going to make it into tau bak, okay? Braised pork belly with soya sauce. So before that, first of all, we have to prep the pork belly, which is just to do a simple blanching process and then cut it into chunks like this, okay? This is approximately about 350 grams, something like that, yeah? Then we will need some 13 spice powder. You can use 5 spice powder if you can't find 13 spice. This is about 1 tablespoon of rock sugar. This is some garlic, shallot, and also ginger. And let's take a look at the condiment that I'm going to use. Of course, my Cooking Appa 100% chicken stock powder, 100% natural chicken stock powder, white pepper, dark soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, light soya sauce, and also salt. Let's put in a little bit of oil and heat it up. Then we can put in the raw sugar. We're going to caramelize the sugar. Just keep on stirring until it becomes very thick brownie sugar syrup. This is after about maybe 30-40 seconds, you start to see it started to melt and become transparent in color. Very soon you're going to see it become brownie in color, yeah? As you can see, you start to see smoke coming up because the temperature of the sugar syrup is actually very, very high. But also lower down the fire. I don't want to burn the sugar, okay? As you can see from here, it is getting more and more brownie in color, almost there, yeah? But don't use too high heat. Just now, my temperature is a bit high. Then you can now see some very thick brownie sugar syrup here. You can then put in the pork. Be careful, don't put in water, it may actually splatter. So here we are giving it two purpose. Number one, I'm going to coat the pork with one thin layer of the caramelized sugar. So you get some color and also getting some kind of a bit of subtle sweetness, yeah? So later, basically, you don't need to add sugar anymore. Really, really fragrant. Next thing, we're going to add in some dark soya sauce, also for the color. Tune out to medium-high heat. Now we can add in the ginger, garlic, and also shallot. Give it some small bowl of Shaoxing wine, some light soya sauce, some hot water so that you don't reduce the temperature of the wok. Then your cooking process can be a lot more efficient. So my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or any envied Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some of my fine salt, 13 spice powder. So let's bring this to a boil. So once it is boiling, you can put up a lid, tune down to medium-low heat, and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then it is done. That's how simple it is. Just be careful. Don't let the water totally dry out. Okay, so probably after 10 minutes later, you need to start checking the water level. Right, this is after about 17-18 minutes. I think should be good enough. Wow. If you prefer to be more caramelized, you can continue cooking. Actually, this is, I think I will let it continue cooking. So this is coming to about 20 minutes. Right. Great. Here's my very simple braised pork belly today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.